how to do intraday trading on Zerodha Kite. Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about how to do intraday trading on Zerodha Kite. Okay, so many of the beginners are asking the question like how to place the order, and when you click on buy or sell you get a lot of options like what is MIS, what is CNC. So I'll be talking about all these things like a normal order or what is a bracket order and what is a cover order and what is AMO order. So I'll be talking about all these things in this video guys, so make sure you watch this video till the end. I'll be covering a lot of topics. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to my channel and also turn on the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of intraday trading strategies, educational videos, trick tips and everything, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so being said that, I'll be showing you a lot of basic things and also the lot of the things what I know in Zerodha Kite, so I'll be sharing with you guys in this video. Okay, so basically the first one is these are the main things which you see in the top right side of the kite what when once you log in. Okay, so you see a dashboard, you see orders, you see holdings, you see position, funds and apps. So dashboard is the one which displays your capital, what you have in equity and commodity. It's just an representation of your capital what you have. And in the orders you can see the orders whatever you placed, so what are the pending orders are there, what are the orders it has executed and all the stuff. And in holdings basically what you see is you can just see the stocks what you have put for holdings, that is for in positional trading. Okay, and in positions you can see what are the running position, what it is going on intraday trading basics and all the stuff. Okay, and in the funds you can see what is the fund available in your trading account and all those things. And in the apps you can see what are the apps you're given permission for the Zerodha to access, like Zerodha coin and lot of things are available in Zerodha. So I'll be telling you about the Zerodha apps in the later part of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, if you're new to a stock market or if you're unable to make money constantly in the stock market, and if you want to learn how to make money constantly in the stock market, you can join my course. I do provide NS and MCX trading course. So the course price are very less and reasonably priced. If you're taking both the course, you're getting discount in the price also. Okay, and here you can see earning proof by my client after taking the course. So many trader got into this trading program and now they are making money consistently. You can see all the success stories here with the ledger proof and with the earning proof. And also many of my client has won the Zerodha 60-day challenge. Even that has been displayed here. So you can go inside the earning proof and watch all of these things. And also one of my client who joined my course made a consistent profit for the 5 months and has bought his own new car. Even that message has been displayed here. So you can go to the earning proof and watch all of these things. And if you're interested and if you're motivated to make money constantly in the stock market, you can definitely join us now. For joining me, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me to take the course. And the next thing is, here are the feedback messages from my clients after taking the course. So you can go through all these feedback messages, and once you feel like if you want to earn like this constantly and if you want to join us, you can definitely join us and learn how to make money constantly in stock market trading, and you can earn like this constantly. And if you join my course, these are the things what you'll be able to learn guys. You'll be able to make money constantly in the trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique strategies and trading setup. No indicators is required. I'll be teaching you what's the best timing and discipline needed to make money in intraday trading. Just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of 10,000 rupees. I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and as you guys know, my course price are less and reasonably priced. So guys, now by being said that, I'll be talking about the Zerodha Kite. Okay, so guys, so the first thing what you see is at the left. So this is a search bar. So this is a watch list. So here you can add whatever the stock you want to trade upon. For example, I have UPL here. So here we can see, like, if you want to add some stock, let's see, if you want to add Tata Motors, just type Tata Motors, like just type Tata and that will come here. Okay, so Tata Motors, so it will come. And also for there are a lot of shortcut keyword for the stock name. For example, if you want Tata Motors, if you just type TAMO, that is TAMO, so the Tata Motors will come. So if you guys want to make a, if you guys want me to make a video regarding the shortcuts of stock names, so let me know in the comment section. I'll be making you that. Okay, so this is how to add a stock. And for example, if you want to add a futures, like feature lot, I mean the features for the same stock, you can just type the same name and type, give a space and type FUT, and there you get all the features. So many people are asking how to add features to your watch list. So that's very simple. Just type the stock name and give a space and type FUT, and that will represent you how to add the futures. So, okay, so that's how you add a stock to your watch list. And next comes here the buy signal and sell, I mean buy button, sell button, and this is a market depth. So this here you can see bids and offers which is running. Okay, so here you can see total volume traded, ATP, and all the things like high, low, open price, volume, expiry of the lot size, everything you can be seen here. Okay, so this is a basic about this. So this is to delete, and when you click on more you get a lot of other options. So and I also made a video on hidden features of Zerodha Kite 3. You can go inside my channel, and also I'll be giving a link in the description below of this video. You guys can check it out. In that I've got a lot of hidden features and tricks for Zerodha Kite. Okay, so this is how we will add a stock. And when you open a stock, this is a thing where you can put the time frame of a chart, like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. Okay, so this is how you can do. And when you go to view, these are all the views. Like you can add a lot of indicators or do whatever the settings you want and save it. Okay, so this is very useful. For example, if I want to load up any of the strategy, let's say if I'm using some strategy and like PSR or rainbow indicator. So I made a setup for that. When I click that, so that will pop up, like the strategy will pop up here, like what are the indicator settings or what are the time frame I made. So this will pop up, and this is how it looks. Okay, so whatever the view you want, you can click on it and save it. Okay, so whatever, like if I want only EMA only strategy, so I made a lot of that, so I can just add that and that will pop up like this. Okay, and if you don't and to all this to add all the indicators and stuff, you can go to studies, and there you can see a lot of indicators. So whatever you want, you can just click on it, and to remove it you get a X mark here. So put the X mark and the indicators will be removed. So whatever the indicator you want to add on, just click on the indicators and that will pop out, and click on done, so the indicator will be added. So that's the basic thing about how to add indicators or how to save your studies. Okay, and once next you go to the layout, it will show you like if you want to save the preference, what are the changes you made, or clear the preference changes what you want to make. And this is an info to display here. So the open, high, low, close of every single candle is displayed here once you have turned on this symbol. Okay, and this plus mark is a cross mark, so crosshairs which is displaying. Okay, so if you turn off that, you can't see the candle crosshairs. So if when you turn on that, you can see the candle crosshairs like this. And this is, as I said, it represent each and every single candles, open, high, low, close, and everything. So this is an info for the candles, and this is for drawing it to like a horizontal line or whatever you want, like to represent something. So just click on horizontal line and click on it, so horizontal line will pop up, it will come like that. Okay, so this is to do a redo, I mean refresh the chart. So whenever the stock is chart, you can just click on it and that will refresh, and this is to pop up. Okay, so if you want a stock in full chart, like a full view, you can just click on the pop-up and the pop-up will come up in a full screen, the chart screen. Okay, so this is basic about the interface about chat. Okay, and the next thing comes buying, selling of the stock. So many of the people are asking like how to buy the stocks either in MIS, CNC, other stuff. So MIS means margin intraday square off. So if you're doing an intraday trading, you should click on MIS, and later you get an option as market, limit, SL and SLM. So if you click on market, your order will be placed right in the market price wherever it's triggering. So if you put down limit, your order will trigger just above the 10 to 20 paisa, like wherever you keep. So many people are thinking like if you put limit, like for example, let me give you an example that the stock is trading at 100. If you want to buy at 102, you should not place the limit order. So many people are thinking if I place limit order, my stock will execute at a higher price. No, that's not wrong, because sometimes your order will execute in the market price only. When you keep like that, it's not a limit price. You should always keep in stop loss order. Okay, so that's when the stock price will trigger at the higher price. Like if you want to buy at 102 when the stock is in 100, you have to place the stop loss order. So make a note of it. And this is an older version of placing the order, that is normal MIS. So in the normal MIS, you get a very less kind of margins, like 14x. Okay, so 14x is a minimum. You can check out in the Zerodha margin calculator. Okay, so in this you can calculate also automatically in their website. So but when you go to more option, here you get an option called as bracket order. So this is what most people are using nowadays, the bracket order. So I suggest you guys to use the bracket order itself. Okay, so when you click on bracket order, you should enter the quantity here. Okay, and you should enter the price where you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy it 102, and if the stock is in 100, so enter here 100 102 itself. So this is where your order will get triggered at 102 only. And also here you can place stop loss also at the same order, and the target also in the same order, and the trailing stop loss if you want in the same order itself. So it's just one click and everything is done. Your entry, exit, stop loss, profit booking line, everything is fixed in the one order. That's the very best thing about bracket order. So I recommend you guys to use a bracket order, which is very very good, because just one order will do all the work for you. Just place an order and leave it, and it will do all the work, whether the entry, the stop loss, the target. So all the work is managed by bracket order. And also guys, if you don't know how to calculate the 20x margin, I've made a Excel sheet for that. You can download it from my channel. I made a video on how to calculate the quantity. In that video I have given a download link for this Excel sheet, so I can check out it and download. So what you have to do is just enter the capital what you have. For example, let's say you have 20,000 capital, so just type 20,000 and hit 100, and the margin in cover order bracket you are getting 20 times. So let's say your broker is providing 20 times margin, so you can modify any of those things. So once you give your capital and margin, and once you enter the stock price, okay, let's say 200, so this will automatically calculate and tell you the quantity how much you want to buy, so that you don't need to calculate manually. Okay, so you can use this Excel sheet to calculate the quantity whatever you want to do. So this is very easy for you, what I've made for you guys. If you're interested, you can download this Excel sheet and use it for your trading purpose. So this is a little basic thing what I wanted to cover in this video, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. And if you guys want me to make more videos like this, or if you have any questions, or if you guys want me to make videos on any topic, do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely make it for you guys. Okay, so thank you guys for this video. Have a good day, and go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There are a lot of educational video strategies and all the stuff, and every day I upload how much profit we made, have we made it, the profit screenshot proof. You can watch all of these things, and if you're interested and motivated to make money constantly in the market, and you want to join my course, you can definitely message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me to take the course. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.